AlumiTank is a manufacturer of aluminum fuel tanks in the trucking industry. We also service the mining industry and the rail industry as well. As we started to grow in the industry that we're in, we realized we were servicing only one part of the industry, and we needed to step out of just cylinder tanks and get into non-cylinder shaped tanks. And we needed a piece of equipment that would allow us to create those geometries. And that solution came through a roll machine that we could program, get repeatability out of it, consistency out of it, and it allowed us to step into that market of the Class 6 trucks that are out there. We reached out to our local vendor for machinery, and they put us onto Davi. They met the requirements that we had as a manufacturer. Opportunity came through a customer in the rail industry who needed something that was twice as large as what we were used to rolling, and we needed another machine that was going to give us new capacities, and that's what we found in our second machine that we bought through Davi. We needed something that addressed issues with when we went to a longer piece of material that gave us a uniform and a straight bend across the material as it came out of the roller.
AlumiTank needed to build multi-ready tanks in different shapes: rectangular, elliptical, and even D-shaped. These tanks range anywhere from 50 to 140 gallons and were to be made out of thin aluminum. Aluminum is a great material for saving on weight, but it can be challenging to work with due to its soft yet springy nature. Thanks to our advanced engineering capabilities, we were able to customize their latest plate roll in a way that truly catered to their needs. Typically, this machine features a top roll of 180 millimeters, which is about 7 inches, but for this project, we adapted our machine to have a top roll of only 160 millimeters, which is 6.3 inches.
As we grew as a company, the non-cylinder tanks that we needed to produce was an opportunity we couldn't realize without the Davi machine. The Davi machine allowed us to build a tank that was not a conventional cylinder tank. So our industry requires quick response. It also requires the right product the first time. So what we accomplish through the equipment and the people that we have here is a product that is dimensionally correct. The quality of it is correct. That's one thing that we get through the Davi roll.